Hello my wonderful creators and welcome to Healthy and Happy. I'm Asi Efres and today we have a fantastic episode for you. I would say delicious episode. We'll be making a salad with cabbage, carrots, lemon and garlic, and of course my favorite, sea salt. And all of these are superfoods that will help you feel and look your best. So without further ado, let's get started. So to make this delicious salad, we'll be needing 1 lemon, a few tablespoons of sea salt, few tablespoons of garlic. We'll be also needing 3 mason jars. I like to recycle my jars. I bought them as jars for coconut oil at Trader Joe's. And I like these because they are good size. They're 16 ounces. They also have coated lids which don't rust, unlike lids from the mason jars. We'll be needing head of cabbage and 4 carrots. I have 5 here because they're small, but our proportion the same as we used for fermented cabbage is a 1 carrot per quarter of the cabbage head. And we'll also be needing filtered water, and I have here a pitcher. And then we'll be needing a few graters. For our cabbage, I'll be using this mandolin grater, and for our carrots I'll be using one of my favorite devices, this one that works so well. We'll be needing a measuring spoon, a tablespoon, and a garlic cutter, and I will include links to all these devices in the description below. So let's begin by grating all our cabbage. And for this recipe, as for the fermented cabbage recipe, I'd like to grate only cabbage leaves and leave off the middle hard part of the cabbage. Cabbage is rich in fiber and also contains compounds that support gut health. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It also prevents cancer and boosts immune system because of the high vitamin C levels. To grate carrots, I'll be using my trusted mandolin grater. Here we go. Carrots that are high in beta carotene, which converts to vitamin A, essential for good vision. It's rich in vitamin K, essential for bone health, and also fiber. It aids in digestion and promotes gut health. Alright, now when we grated all the carrots, let's disassemble our grater. And now, once all our ingredients are prepared, let's mix cabbage with carrots. Let's separate half of the cabbage to mix with half of the carrots. So we're keeping our ratio of 1 carrot per quarter of the cabbage head. And here we just want to mix them evenly, because our food should be not just delicious and nutritious, but also visually very appealing and also very flavorful, because nobody will stick to an eating plan or eating style that contains only bland foods. We can do better than that. Very good. So let's set it aside for a little bit and prepare our lemon. So I've tried this recipe before with lemon pieces cut together with skin. The last of my batches became bitter, and since then I recommend that we remove skin from the lemon before including it in this salad. I think I'm going to do that and just cut the end of the lemon off, and then also cut the skin off, including the white part of the lemon, which makes cabbage have a bitter taste. So now when we've removed lemon peel together with the white part, let's cut our lemon in slices. So a few minutes ago I pre-minced some garlic in my trusted garlic mincer. We'll be needing for this recipe at least 3 tablespoons of garlic. And now let's pack our mixture of cabbage and carrots into the jar as tightly and neatly as we possibly can. And I like to use my tongs here because I think it's the quickest and most accurate way to fill the jar with the mixture. Packing cabbage inside the jar as tightly as we can. So now when the jar is filled with the mixture, we are adding a tablespoon of garlic. You can add slightly less than a tablespoon, especially if you are new to including raw garlic in your diet. Start with a small amount in case you have sensitivity to garlic. But in this salted state, we're going to put sea salt in the jar and water. Garlic is not overpowering, it's just very fragrant and aromatic. And then we're also adding a tablespoon or slightly less of salt, sea salt. Here I'm using my favorite Sicilian sea salt to add some electrolytes to my dishes. And then we are adding a slice of lemon right on top, and you can press everything into the jar slightly and then fill it up with water, filtered water, until it reaches the top. Right, very nice. Here we have all our carrot and cabbage mixture now submerged underwater, and this is a fantastic way to do it. And finally, let's put the lid on. Voila, your amazing, super nutritious cabbage carrots salad with garlic and lemon and sea salt is ready. We made 3 16-ounce jars out of half a cabbage and 2 carrots. So if you have 6 of these, you can use entire head of cabbage and 4 carrots to create this fantastic salad. So now you can keep it in the refrigerator for days and weeks, but it really goes very fast when you open a jar. It gets consumed and devoured very quickly. So now it's been 24 hours since we made this batch of cabbage and we kept it in refrigerator, and now it's time to try it. I can't wait. Let's see. I have to tell you guys, this is so delicious. It's full of flavor, but also full of nutrients for your body, vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. So enjoy, and it's very easy to do, and you don't have to wait days on end for fermentation process to take place. It's literally ready to eat in 24 hours. You can bring these jars to your friends' barbecues and birthdays instead of something sugary like cake or cookies. And most importantly, stay healthy and happy. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you like this content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to see more videos from Healthy and Happy. I'm Asi Efras. Thank you so much for watching.